So, good morning, everyone. My name is Luca De Santis from the Italian company Net7, and I'm introducing Pundit, which is a web annotation tool powered by semantic technologies. So what is Pundit? Pundit is a cloud service that allows users to take notes on web documents, either HTML pages or PDF files. So everyone is familiar with the concept of marginalia, that is taking notes on paper, documents, books, etc. So, well, basically, Pundit allows you to do the same, but on the web. So it's target users, natural users, we can say, are people who study on the web, who needs actually to take notes on the web, like scholars, students, researchers, but also the casual user might find a tool like Pundit useful. And of course, we are also eager to identify other possible use cases for our tool. So Pundit is not definitely the only web annotation tool around, but it has some distinctive features, respect the competitions. So on the one hand, it does everything that the competitors do. So highlighting, commenting, and tagging on the web documents. But also it allows you to create semantic annotations, that is formal statements, formal RDF statements based on an ontology that allows so the note to be very precise and very useful for example, further reuse. Its data model is compliant to the W3C web annotation specification. Annotations are collected in notebooks, and we're developing a feature that allows notebooks to be shared amongst users. It can be used with a Chrome extension, but actually through a proxy app, we can use Pundit everywhere with any modern browser, even on mobile. So we also have APIs for applications integration. There is a central web app where all annotation can be found, notebooks can be seen, data can be exported, etc. And Pundit is free to use, so you can go register for free to https://thepund.it. And Pundit is an EOSC DIH pilot. So the pilot is currently based on 3 pillars. The first one is allowing Pundit to be onboarded properly, let's say, on the EOSC marketplace, and the process is ongoing. Then, thanks to the collaboration with the EOSC DIH team, we would like to analyze, as I said before, other possible use cases for Pundit, exploitation strategies for it. And last but not least, we also would also like to experiment alternative deployment of its technical infrastructure, which is currently based on the Amazon Web Services. So I guess that without further ado, we could just see Pundit in action. So it's demo time. So what we have to do, just start from a web page. For example, we can go directly to the EOSC DIH pilot for Pundit. So as I said, Pundit is a Chrome extension. So when I trigger it, I have to log in, and we have integrated several ways to do the authentication. You can directly register with your email or password, or you can use your existing identities on Google, Facebook, and even EGI. So for example, I connect with my EGI account using Google, and here it is. As soon as EGI completes the authentication procedure, here I am. So I can see Pundit, it's already in action. And yeah, there is another annotation done before, and it was done by me, to be honest. And I just want you to show, because this annotation is an example of the semantic annotation I was mentioning before. So basically, this piece of text uses a specific predicate, and it's linked to a URI. And also I can apply some text to it. Annotations are collected, as I say, in notebooks. This is the list of the notebooks that I have. And of course, I can create new annotations. So I just select a piece of text. I can do a simple highlighting of the selected part. Or also I can do some commenting on it. So I can comment and say, this has been done thanks to the triple project. And I can say that this is related, for example, to ICT as a possible tag. So this is an example of how Pundit works. So very easy. And as I said, actually, when you do annotations on the web, you can easily find all your annotations in this web app. So you can see the list of all the notebooks that you have. For example, we can see the notebooks I was using, which was this one, Semantic Web. And you can see the annotations that I've just done. Of course, I can filter the annotations. So for example, I just want the annotations that includes highlighting, and I can export the notebook. So the annotations that are contained in this notebook in several formats. For example, I can export them in docx format. And this, of course, allows a very easy reuse of Pundit and of Pundit annotations. So here we are, and yeah, the only thing that I have to do is just advise you to use Pundit. So thanks for your attention. Go to depand.it, register, download the Chrome extension, and yeah, pin the web. Thanks a lot for your attention.